Hey my dear lovely students, a very good morning to all of you. In the last class of mathematics, we studied about the multiplication of a monomial and a binomial from the chapter algebraic expression. And in today's class, we will be studying multiplication of two binomials. In the last class, we studied monomial, that is multiplication of one term with two terms, that is binomial. And in this class, we will be learning the multiplication of two binomials, that is multiplication of two terms with the other two terms. So if you want to better understand what's being taught you through online teaching, do watch the video completely, and if you do not watch the video completely, I don't think that you'll get to know very well. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video, that is multiplication of two binomials. Multiplication of two binomials. So let me make you one thing very clear. What are the two important things, या फिर two important steps in solving such type of question? The first is you should know the signs very well. How the sign changes, that is plus minus, minus multiplied to minus will be equal to plus, and plus multiplied equal to minus will be minus. These all you all should know it very well. Second, the proper implementation of ब्रैकेट्स, कब कहाँ पे ब्रैकेट लगाना है उसका ध्यान आपको बहुत अच्छे से होना चाहिए, तभी आप ऐसे क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. So let's start. In the today's class, the first thing which we will study is multiplication of two binomials having both same terms. अगर आप दो बाइनोमियल्स को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं और दोनों का टर्म्स जो है वो इक्वल हो तो आप क्या करिएगा? Suppose you have one binomial, that is a plus b, and you have other binomial that is also a plus b. A can be any number and b can be any number. Similarly, suppose we have a equal to 5x and b is equal to 4y, a is equal to 5x and b is equal to 4y. So what will be the proper rule for solving two binomials having same terms? That is, what will happen if a plus b is being multiplied to another binomial a plus b? So how we solve? As in the case of monomials, we studied that we had only one term and which was being multiplied with two terms. So what we did, we multiplied the first term with the first term of binomial, and with the proper sign we multiplied again the first term with the second term. So what will be in the binomials? The same. We will multiply a with a, then a with b. First of all, we multiply a with a, then we will multiply a with b. This is the first condition, and with the proper sign, with these two signs being multiplied together, we will multiply b with a and then b with b. These are the second criteria. So what will happen? A multiplied to a, इसके आगे कोई साइन नहीं, that is we have a plus sign, so plus plus plus, a multiplied to b will be ab, again plus plus plus, b multiplied to a will be ba, or we can simply write ab, as both are the cross products, so we can interchange their positions. plus b multiplied to plus b will be plus b into b will be equal to b square. So how we solve it? A into a will be a square, ab plus ab will be 2ab and plus b square. So what is this? This is the formula, or we can call it identity, if we are being multiplied with two terms, that is a plus b into a plus b, that is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. This is the proper condition for solving. I hope it is clear to everyone. What will happen if you multiply two terms which are both equal, but this time with a minus sign among them? So a minus b multiplied to a minus b, again what we will do, we will simply multiply a with a. What do we get? A square plus minus a into b, ab, minus plus minus b into a ba, or we can simply write ab, minus plus b into b, b square. So what do we get? A square minus ab and minus ab minus 2ab plus b square. So what do we get? Again identity for what? A minus b whole square, that is a minus b into a minus b whole square will be equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. If we have identities both same, what we get? If we have a plus b into a plus b, we write a square plus b square plus 2ab, or we can solve it from the above method. And if we have a minus b into a minus b, we solve it a square plus b square minus 2ab. I hope it is clear to all of you. So first see question on these two criterias, and then we will move further. Example 1. If you have to multiply 2x plus 5y multiplied to 2x plus 5y, what we will do? We can solve it with two proper ways, that is 2x multiplied to 2x. What we can write? 2x multiplied to 2x plus 2x multiplied to 5y plus 5y multiplied to 2x and plus 5y multiplied to 5y. What we write? 2 2 ja 4, x into x square, plus 5 2 ja 10, x into y xy, plus 5 2 ja 10, y into x yx, or we can write xy, plus 5 5 ja 25, y into y square. What can we see? 4x square 10xy plus 10xy plus 20xy and plus 25y square. This is our answer. Or simply using the identity, how we can solve it? 2x plus 5y multiplied to 2x plus 5y, we can write it is of the form a plus b whole square. This is also a plus b, and this is also a plus b. So what we can write? A plus b whole square. So what will be our way? A square plus b square plus 2ab. So what is a? A is 2x. We can write it over here. A is equal to 2x. What is b? B is 5y. And here also a is 2x and b is 5y. A square, that is 2x square, plus b square. What is b? 5y. 5y square plus 2ab. 2 into a. What is a? 2x plus b. What is b? 5y. 2x square, that is 2x into 2x will be equal to 4x square plus 5y square. 5 5s are 25y square plus 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20, x into y xy. This is our answer. Here we had got 4x square plus 25y square plus 20xy, and in the previous way we got the same result, that is 4x square plus 20xy plus 25y square. I hope it is clear to everyone. Let's see the other question with a negative approach. 2x minus 5y multiplied to 2x minus 5y. What we can do? Simply with the previous method, 2x multiplied to 2x plus minus 2x multiplied to 5y minus 5y multiplied to 2x minus plus 5y into 5y. 2 2 ja 4x square minus 5 2 ja 10xy minus 5 2 ja 10y into x will be equal to 10xy plus 5 5 ja 25y square. What we can write? 4x square minus 10xy minus 20xy and plus 25y square. This is our result. And what do we get after applying the identity? Now this is of the form a minus b multiplied to a minus b. So we can write it is of the form a minus b whole square. What we get? A square plus b square minus 2ab. So what we can write here? A square plus b square minus 2ab. What is a? A is 2x. What is b? B is 5y. So a square, so 2x square plus b square. What is b? 5y square minus 2ab. 2 into a. What is a? 2x. And what is b? 5y. What we get? 2x square 4x square plus 5 5 ja 25y square minus 2 to the 4 4 5 ja 20xy. So this is our answer. Here also we got 4x square plus 25y square plus 25y square minus 20xy minus 20xy. As you all know, there is no difference among these two. Both are exactly same. Just the change in position, and change in position with the same sign does not affect the result in mathematics. I hope it is clear to everyone. So there can be two conditions, either a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. Now let's see what would happen if both the terms are different. This is second case. If both the terms are unequal, that is a plus b multiplied to c plus d. So in this case we can also deduce a formula, but we'll first multiply like we did in the previous options. A multiplied to c plus a multiplied to d plus b into c plus b into d. So what we can write? A into c ac plus a into d ad plus b into c bc and plus b into d bd. So this is how we solve. We will first of all multiply all the terms, and what would happen if the result is a negative, that is a minus b multiplied to c minus d. We will do the same thing and nothing is going to change. So let's see an example over here. Example, suppose you have to multiply 2x plus 3y multiplied to 3y plus 2x. This is a is 2x, this is b 3y, this is c 3y, and this is d 2x. All are different terms. So what we do, we multiply 2x plus 3y multiplied to 3y plus 2x. Simply we keep on multiplying. 2x multiplied to 3y plus 2x multiplied to 2x plus 3y multiplied to 3y plus 3y multiplied to 2x. 3 2 ja 6xy plus 2 2 ja 4x into x square plus 3 3 ja 9y into y square plus 3 2 ja 6xy. What we do, first of all we write the power with the greatest power. 4x square plus 9y square, 6xy plus 6xy, that is 12xy. This is our answer. So this is the proper way of multiplying. I hope it is clear to everyone. Let's take one more example. 2x square plus 3y multiplied to 2x plus 5y. So I hope you all are getting it. What we will do, we will multiply this term with this term. Again this term will be multiplied to this term, then this will multiply to this, and this will again multiply to this with proper implementation of sign. That was the second rule. So what we do, we write 2x square multiplied to 2x first, then again plus 2x square multiplied to 5y, 2x square multiplied to 5y, then plus 3y multiplied to 2x, then 3y multiplied to 5y, plus 3y multiplied to 5y. What do we get? 2 2 ja 4, 2x and 1x, x cube plus 5 2 ja 10 x square y plus 3 2 ja 6xy plus 5 3 ja 15y square. So what do we get? 4x cube plus 15y square plus 15y square plus 10x square y plus 6xy. This is our answer. Since none of the terms are like terms, so we cannot add or subtract any of the terms. We will write it as usual. I hope it is clear to everyone. Let's take an example with a negative approach. This time the question is very simple. 9x minus 3y multiplied to x square minus y. Both the terms are negative. So what we do, we follow the same procedure. 9x multiplied to x square bracket closed plus minus 9x multiplied to y minus plus minus 3y multiplied to x square minus plus 3y multiplied to y. What do we get? 9 1 ja 9 x square into x cube minus 9xy minus 3 1 ja 3 x square y. सबसे पहले हम लोग ग्रेट पार लिखते हैं प्लस 3 1 ja 3 and y into y square. So what is our answer? 9x cube plus 3y square minus 3x square y and minus 9xy. This is our answer. I hope it is clear to everyone. Let's take a question, a mixed question of both plus and minus sign. The question is x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 multiplied to x plus 1 by x. A very important question. How we can solve it? Simply very easy. So what we will do, x to the power 4 multiplied to x bracket closed plus x to the power 4 multiplied to 1 by x plus 1 by x to the power 4 multiplied to x plus 1 by x to the power 4 multiplied to to 1 by x. So x to the power 4 multiplied to x to the power 5. 4 plus 1, 5. Here we have 4x and here we have 1x. So x 4x into x into x into x divided by x. So एक x कट जाएगा. So how what do we get? X cube. So plus x cube. Again 1x will cut. 1x, what do we get? 3. So 1 over x cube plus 1 upon 1 and x to the power 4 multiplied to x to the power 5. So this is our answer. What we can write? X to the power 5 plus 1 by x to the power 5 plus x cube plus 1 by x cube. This is our answer. I hope it is clear to everyone. Let's take one more example. That is a very important example. Simplify. The question is 5x minus 3 multiplied to x plus 4 minus 2x plus 5 multiplied to 3x minus 4. So 5x multiplied to x. Now I am not writing the multiplication. I am solving it directly. आपको अच्छे से ध्यान देना है. 5x into x, 5x square plus 5 4 जा 20x minus plus minus 3 into x 3x minus plus minus 4 3 जा 12 bracket closed with minus sign. Again bracket 2x into 3x 3 2 जा 6x square plus minus minus 4 2 जा 8x plus 5 3 जा 15x plus minus minus 5 4 जा 20. What we can write? 5x square plus 20x minus 3x, that is plus 17x. I'm so sorry, plus 17x, and we will not put here, we will minus 12 bracket closed minus 6x square minus 8x plus 15x. 15 में से 8 गया कितना बचा? Plus 15 minus 8, that is plus 7 and minus 20. So now what we can write? 5x square plus 17x minus 12 minus plus minus 6x square minus plus minus 7x and minus minus plus 20. 5x square minus 6x square plus 5 minus 6. What do we get? Minus x square plus 17 minus 7. What do we get? Plus 10x and minus 12 plus 20. 20 में से 12 जाकर कितना बचेगा? Plus 8. This is our answer. I hope it is clear to everyone. So this was all in the today's video. Do watch the video completely so that you can better understand it and solve the given assignment through WhatsApp group. Do solve all the questions and send me on my WhatsApp. So I end today's video. Thank you all. Have a good day. Stay at home and stay safe. Thank you.